bonus video. This video we're going to be making the crabs blink. So if you look very closely, you can see it blinking. So let's go. Okay, so in this video, yes, we're going to be making our crabs blink. Now this is a bonus video, but don't worry because I will be uploading more crab videos in the future, so this isn't gonna be the last one. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay, let's begin. So this is something that we got last class. Now we have our controllers and we have our rotation controllers. So yeah, the sphere controls the direction and this controls the whole thing along with the camera. So now what we want to do is we want to make it blink. So we need to make its eyelids first. So now to do that, we're gonna add a sphere. So Shift A, add a mesh sphere. Now maybe you're looking at your crab, so it's gonna be at your middle spawn point right there. And maybe adjust the scale first a little bit, and then press slash into edit mode. Sorry, let me turn my thing on. Okay. So when you slash into it, it's gonna hide everything else, and you'll only see the object that you selected. So now rotate your ball 90 degrees like this, and then now we're just gonna start deleting the eyelids. So just select like this one side and go to the other side and select it. Now you gotta make sure that you're selecting the right one, or else you're gonna have problems. So make sure it's the whole thing across, and then just delete the faces, and then like this. So hold Control and click delete faces. Click this one, hold Control, delete faces, and just keep going till you find the satisfied outcome of your eyes. Don't hold Shift, hold Control, because holding Shift is selecting more objects and Control is selecting other objects in the way of the other side that we're trying to select. So I'm pretty sure this is pretty good. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah. Maybe a little bit more. Delete faces. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And shade smooth it. And we're gonna add a modifier. Add a subdivisions. Oh no, sorry. Add a solidify modifier, and increase the thickness inwards till it's about this. Okay. So now go into edit mode again and select these vertices. This one, not the middle one. The second one from the middle. This one. Hold Control and go to the other side like this. And then press Control G and assign to a new group. And do the same thing for the bottom one. Oops. Hold Control, click it across, and Control G and assign to a new group. So now if you go to the object data properties, the triangle looking thing, the green triangle, you're gonna have two groups, the top one and the bottom one. So now tap out of edit mode, and we're gonna add two shape keys. So one shape keys, two shape keys. Okay. So now the first one is gonna be the open, and the second one is gonna be close. So first thing you wanna do is you wanna change right here to 3D cursor. Now the reason I didn't move and take it to work at the crab's eye in the first place, because we need to do this first. So now make sure you're in 3D cursor, and now when you rotate on the X, you're gonna get open and close looking thing. Go select group 1 and press select, and make sure you're selecting the group 1 top part, and go to key 1, and basically just if it's up here, then just rotate it down here till it's along with the Y. and then select the bottom ones, press select. Oh wait, unselect everything first, then select it. Then rotate it, and then move it till it's closed like this. So now when you tab out of edit mode, it's gonna come out, and if you like slide the value up, it's gonna close, open and close like this. Okay, let's go. So now you can slash out of edit mode and move our thing across to our crab, wherever your crab is. And oh, and then now you can change it to bounding box center. It doesn't need to be that thing anymore. Okay. So now you got this. And then just move the eyelids closer to the crab like this. Okay. Now just adjust the scale, and there we go. Now one thing you can do with your eyes is it's still a cube, so select the top, bottom, maybe the with these like this, along with this side. Oh, sorry, the bottom right like this, and subdivide it and increase the smoothness, and then make sure you're in individual origins. Just scale it down, maybe scale on the Z, move it down like that, and then bounding box center, go out, and there you go. So now you try to change the value, it's gonna open and close like this. So now you duplicate it across to this part. Yeah. Then you can add the color, the same material that you use for the body. So now you're gonna do the animation. Oh, okay. Sorry. Don't move it yet. You wanna select both of them, and then select the crab last, and then we're gonna parent the eyelids to the crab, so Control P and keep transform. So there we go. And now when you move this, the eyelid's gonna follow. So now you can go to like frame 1. Bam. Oh, I didn't select it. Okay, there we go. So now we can start adding animations things to our eyelid. So select both of them like this. In frame 1, go to the triangle, set the value, click on this circle, and it's going to be a diamond. And go to like frame 20, zoom in, and change the value to be 1, and click to be a diamond, with a full diamond. Wait, don't worry about the other eye yet, we're gonna do it soon. Okay, so in this eye we're gonna have it opening and closing our eyes. Now our eyes is gonna be open most of the time, so we need to duplicate this, Shift D, move it to like frame 15, so it only blinks a little bit right there. Maybe you want to move it closer to like frame, what frame is that? Frame 18, okay. Maybe, okay, about that. Shift D to duplicate it, and there you go. Okay. So now we can just start to duplicate like this. Keep it going. I guess you can do linear extrapolation, but there's not that much control in it. So I recommend doing this. Like that. Duplicate. You just put it on the the marked line right there. Okay. Okay, and then now when you go into camera view, you can see that it's blinking. So now just delete it and then move it on the X like this. And there you go. So that is how to make a crab blink. And that's it for today. Now, if you have any other suggestions that I should add to my crab, maybe I should do more motion to it in the next video. I'm not sure if I can tell you a schedule because I'm kind of busy at the moment, but I'll try to upload it as soon as possible. So that is it, and see you soon.